Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can enhance your virtual library or Bitmoji classroom by adding an audio as well as an exit ticket. If you want to learn how you can make your own virtual classroom, go ahead and watch my previous video, which will step you through how to do that. I'll also have a link to my Google Slides in the description box below, so you can download a copy of my Bitmoji classroom. I'll be putting out videos for teachers and students on ClassNotes, so be sure to subscribe to ClassNotes to stay updated with these videos and hit the like button if you're enjoying this content. Okay, so in front of us, we've got a virtual library. I've designed this to be a resource for students when they're studying for their exams. So we've got some activities here on the left where students can go ahead and access this by clicking on it. Now we want to enhance this by adding an audio as well as an exit ticket that's going to sit on the bottom here. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to be adding in is audio. So we can find some royalty-free music by just doing a quick Google search. I found a website called Bensound that has a library of royalty-free music that we can use. I quite like the one called Ukulele. So we can go ahead and download that one. And Bensound allows us to download and use the music as long as we credit Bensound in the description for the video. So we can do that, definitely. Press download. And to ensure that we can access this soundtrack in our Google Slides, we actually need to drop it off into our Google Drive. So hop into Google Drive next. I've got the soundtrack in my downloads. Let's drop it off. And once that's done, we can go ahead and go back to our Google Slides, insert, audio, and we've got our soundtrack here. Press enter to insert it in. There we have it. You can adjust the volume and even loop the audio. So once we've got that, the next thing to do is insert our exit slip or exit ticket. We're going to be using Google Forms for this. So I've already got a Google Forms ready, and it's called Year 8 Revision Exit Ticket. And it has a couple questions here. The first is, what is your name? And we're doing a 3, 2, 1. So 3 things that you've revised today, 2 things that you found interesting, and 1 question you still have. It's quite easy to set up questions within Google Forms. We just press the button for adding a question, which is a plus sign. And then if you want to add some images, there's an image icon over here. And you can even select what type of response you want the students to have. So what we want to do is go to send, grab the hyperlink. You can do a short URL. Copy that in, and then go back to our Google Slides, highlight our text, and then we're going to right-click and insert the new link. Apply. We can just check that this works by just clicking on it to see the student view. So there we have it. I quite like Google Forms because we can also do a quick analysis of the responses once you have responses. And then you can go ahead and also make a Google spreadsheet, or you can download it as a Microsoft Excel document and analyze it yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to ClassNotes to stay updated with these videos. Until next time, bye.